What? Who, me? What? Me? Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Jazz. I'm here today with a video about this fabulous hair. Yes! Guys, it's a wig. Can you believe it? This is a wig. Yes! I'm living for this wig. I love it so much. I can't explain it. Okay, let me do a 360 so that you guys could see it because it's like fabulous all the way around. Yeah. Right? So it's a lace front wig and it actually comes with a part, but I mean, who needs a part when you can just like do this, right? Okay, I didn't secure it, but whatever, it still looks nice. It's a wig from Sensationnal. Sorry, my cat. I'm actually resting my tripod on my cat's tree. I'm kind of on his territory right now and he's looking at me like with killer eyes. But anyway. And it's from the Curl Kinks and Co collection, I guess. It's in color 1B, role model. That's the style of this hair. So it says all curl types, 3B to 4C. The curls kind of look like the ones that you would get normally when you would put perm rods in. Guys, I'm super lazy. I've never even done a video about me doing perm rods just because like I'm that lazy, but maybe I should try it in a future video. We'll see. This wig was only $39.99 and I bought it at divatress.com. It's located in the US, so I had it shipped from the US to Montreal. And guys, like I had to pay customs $35 so that they could release my package, and I was so pissed about that, and it took forever because of Corona. But anyway, I think that this wig is still worth it. Look at these curls. It's so bouncy. I had to trim it a little bit, especially the front, because it was like a little bit too long. So I had to trim the front and just like fluff out the hair all around. And I think that it looks amazing. I really love it. They have another version of that one. And the hair is actually longer, so you could get a longer wig for the same $39.99 also. I'm probably gonna buy that next. Also, I got another wig. It's actually this wig that I ordered, but in color red. And the red is like so bright. I don't know what to do with it. I need to pluck a few things, do something with the hairline because it's not to its full potential. But you know, that bob wig was speaking to me and I was just like, I gotta have it. But now that I have it, I'm like,
do I really want it? Did I really need it?
Probably not. So next time I'll stick to, you know, what I know, which is curls. Let me know if you like this hair. And if you have any questions. What? Huh? You're talking to me? Where? That's all I had for you today. Hope that this was helpful. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Also, click that bell button so that whenever I have a new video, you guys will be the first to know. Okay, bye.